Profile controller auto-tuning of Autonics TN series. So this auto-tuning procedure is applicable for both the pattern type models and the fixed type models. So both the program control or pattern control model as well as the fixed control, the same the same auto-tuning process will be applicable. So we can see on the screen, these are the different menu groups. Of this different menu groups, we will need to go into the run group and the PID.C group. Okay, so let us see what are the parameters that we need to change into these groups. The first parameter we need to change is we need to keep the mode in the run group as fixed. So if it is a fixed control model, it will be fixed into fixed mode. But if it is a program control model, pattern control model, we have option over here to set. So we need to make sure first of all this should be set into fixed mode. So say you want to operate into program control mode, do auto tuning in fixed mode and then set the device into program mode. So this will be available in run group. Then we need to do the settings for zone PID to be enabled. So we need to keep this parameter as on, and we need to set rp dot and we need to set rp-l, rp-c, rp-c and rp-h, these parameters. Say for example, rpl will be the lowest parameter at which you want to operate your oven, rph will be the highest parameter at which you want to operate your oven, and rpc will be the center value. Okay, say for example, if this is 100, highest is 300, center value could be around 200. Okay, so how the auto tuning will be performed in this case. So in this case, there will be 4 auto tuning set points that will be calculated. The first auto tuning set point 81, it will be RPL, that is 100. The last auto tuning set point, it will be RPH, that is 300. Then the second auto tuning set point, it will be between RPL and RPC, and how it is calculated inside, RPL plus RPC divided by 2. RPL plus RPC divided by 2. 100 plus 200 divided by 2, that comes out to be 150. The third set point will be RPC plus RPH divided by 2. RPC plus RPH divided by 2. 200 plus 300, 500 divided by 2, that is 250. So this is how automatically it will calculate the set points at which the auto tuning needs to be done. So based on this, there will be PID groups that will be automatically enabled. So 81, the PID parameters after auto tuning will be stored in PID group 0. Vice versa, PID 1 will store the parameters of auto tuning 2. PID 2 will store the parameters of auto tuning 3, and PID 3 will store the parameters of auto tuning 4. Okay, these are fixed and we can't change this. Okay, now let us yes, so after all the settings are done, we need to then also make sure our sensor is correctly set inside, if it is thermocouple or RTD, and its type, and then we can start the auto tuning in 3-2 parameter 80. Okay, so all these parameters that we checked here, these are available in PID-C group. Okay, now let us see a demo on how this auto tuning will be done. So for doing auto tuning and to demonstrate the same in TN series, I have reduced my oven working temperatures over here. So I have taken RPL as 30, RPH as 70, and RPC as 45. Based on these, if we look, 81 will be 30 degrees Celsius, 82 will be 37.5, 83 will be 57.5, and 84 will be 70 degrees Celsius. So let us program RPH, RPC, RPL in the PID controller, and let's see the auto tuning. So first of all, we need to uh, enter in etc group and enable user as high. So press mode key for some time, go to etc group, press mode key, and here we'll find user parameter, which is standard, that we will change to high. Press mode key, change the parameter, press mode key again. And to come out, we will use the shift key. Pressing the shift key, it comes out of the user group. So as we have changed the user parameter to high, now all the parameters will be visible. Now let us go to run parameter group, and in run parameter group, let's enter inside, and we need to change the mode, which is by default program, because this model is a program control model. Change this group, change this parameter to fixed mode, and let's come out of this group also. Now we need to go to the third group, which is PIDC group, and in this group we need to turn on the zone. So we will turn on the zone and we will set the three parameters: RPH, RPC and RPL. Starting with RPL, I'll change this parameter to 30. Then I need to change RPC to 45. And I need to change RPH to 70. Okay, so our RPL, C and H have been set and our settings have been done. Now let's come out of the group and we are ready to start the auto tuning process. Now as per our um, set zones, we have divided it into 4 groups, and our auto tuning set points have also been set inside as shown in the presentation. Now if I start the auto tuning process, it will change the set points that we need to check in this demonstration. So let us start the auto tuning process now. Going into PIDC group and turning on auto tuning, we can see the 80 signal has turned on. Okay, and automatically the first set point has been taken in. Now let me simulate by increasing the temperature. Okay, so after the auto tuning of the first 80, it automatically shifted to the second auto tuning set point, which is 37.5. Now increasing the temperature again. It automatically now shifted to the third set point, which is 57.5. And it automatically now shifted to the last 84 set point, which is 70. and the auto tuning has been successfully completed. So once the auto tuning is completed, now we can shift the mode to program control mode. And in the program control mode, then we can define our patterns, and while defining the patterns, we can use this PID groups for assigning the PID values to each pattern. Okay, thank you.